Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about locus topic, the exercise problems. Here, exercise 1A, second Roman, fifth question. Question number 5th. Find the equation of the locus of a point, the sum of whose distances from 0, 2 and 0, minus 2 is 6. Here given in the question, locus of a point. This is locus of point P. First point, let it be A. And second point, let it be B. That the sum of the distance PA plus PB. PA plus PB equal to 6. Here given condition. Let P is equal to X comma Y be any point on the locus, any point on the locus. Let A equal to 0, 2, B equal to 0, minus 2. Here given condition, the sum of whose distances, that is PA plus PB equal to 6. PA plus PB equal to 6. Here PA equal to plus PB becomes minus PB. 6 minus PB. Squaring on both sides. PA square. 6 minus PB whole square. A minus B whole square expansion. 6 square 36 plus PB square minus 2AB, minus 2 into 6 12, minus 12 PB. Here PA square plus PB square becomes minus PB square plus 36 becomes minus 36 equal to minus 12 PB. Minus 12 PB. Here apply the values. PA square x minus 0 whole square, x minus 0 whole square, x square, x minus 0 whole square, x square plus y minus 2 whole square minus of PB square, x minus 0 whole square, x square, y minus of minus 2 plus 2, y plus 2 whole square minus 36 equal to minus 12 PB. X square, y minus 2 whole square, y square plus 4 minus 4y, a minus b whole square expansion, minus of x square, y plus 2 whole square expansion, y square plus 4 plus 4y, minus 36 equal to minus 12 PB. X square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y, multiply with the entire term minus x square minus y square minus 4 minus 4y minus 36 equal to minus 12 PB. Here x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. Minus 4y, minus 4y, minus 8y, minus 4y, minus 4y, minus 8y, minus 36 equal to minus 12 PB. Minus 8, minus 36, minus 4 is the common, 2y plus 9 equal to minus 12 PB. Here 4 ones, 4 3s, minus get cancelled. 2y plus 9 equal to 3 PB. Again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. 2y plus 9 whole square. A plus B whole square formula. 4y square, 9 square 81. Plus 2ab, 2 into 2 4, 4 9 36, 36y, here 3 square 9, 9 pb square, 4y square plus 81 plus 36y into 9 into pb square expansion x minus 0 whole square x square plus y minus of minus 2 plus 2 y plus 2 whole square. 4y square plus 81 plus 36y equal to 9 into x square y plus 2 whole square expansion y square plus 2 square 4 plus 4y 4y square plus 81 plus 36y. Here entire term multiply with 9. 9x square plus 9y square. 9 into 4 36 plus 9 into 4 36y. 36y 36y get cancelled. Here in this last step x square and y square terms at one side and constants are other side. 9x square minus 9x square, here 9x square, 9y square minus 4y square, 5y square. Here 81 minus 36, 81 minus 36, 11 minus 6 5, 7 minus 3 45. 81 minus 36 is equal to 45. This entire term divided by 45, 9x square by 45 plus 5y square by 45. 45 divided by 45 1, 9 ones 9 fives, 5 ones 5 nines. X square by 5 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This is the required equation of locus. In public examination, the answer ends in this case also. 9x square plus 5y square equal to 45. Question number 6. Find the equation of the locus of P if capital A equal to 2 comma 3, B equal to 2 comma minus 3 and PA plus PB equal to 8. Here the given condition is directly given. PA plus PB equal to 8. Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus, any point on the locus. Here capital A is given 2 comma 3, B is given 2 comma minus 3. The given condition is given condition PA plus PB equal to 8, PA is equal to 8 minus PB. Here squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, PA square 8 minus PB whole square, A minus B whole square expansion, 8 square 64 plus PB square minus 2AB minus 2 into 8 16 minus 16 PB. Here PA square plus PB square becomes minus PB square plus 64 minus 64 equal to minus 16 PB. Here apply the values. PA square x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square minus of PB square x minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3 plus 3 y plus 3 whole square minus 64 equal to minus 16 PB. Here to observe that this is x minus 2 whole square. This also x minus 2 whole square. If multiply with minus x minus 2 whole square minus y plus 3 whole square. Here x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square get cancelled. X minus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square. We multiply with minus x minus 2 whole square minus into plus minus y plus 3 whole square minus 64 equal to minus 16 PB. Here x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square get cancelled. Y minus 3 whole square, y square plus 3 square 9 minus 2ab minus 6y, a minus b whole square formula apply. Here minus, in minus you take a one bracket, y plus 3 whole square, y square plus 3 square 9 plus 2ab, 2 into 3 6, 6y minus 64 equal to minus 16 pb. Y square plus 9 minus 6y, entire term multiply with minus, minus y square minus 9 minus 6y minus 64 equal to minus 16 pb. Here y square get cancelled, plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled, minus 6y minus 6y minus 6y minus 6y minus 12y minus 64 equal to minus 16 pb. Here to observe that minus 12y minus 64, here 4 is the common, minus 4 is the common, minus 4 is the common, 3y plus 16 equal to minus 16 pb. Minus 4 is the common, 3y plus 16, squaring on again, here cancelled, here minus minus get cancelled, 4 ones 4 fours, 3y plus 16 equal to 4 pb. 3y plus 16 is equal to 4 pb. Again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. 3y plus 16 whole square. 3y whole square 9y square. 16 square 256. 2ab 236, 6 into 16 96, 96y. Here 4 square 16, 16 pb square. 9y square plus 256 plus 96y plus 16 equal to 16 into pb square expansion. X minus 2 whole square, y minus of minus 3 plus 3, y plus 3 whole square. X minus 2 whole square, y plus 3 whole square. 9y square plus 256 plus 96y equal to 16 into x minus 2 whole square expansion. X square 2 square 4 minus 4x, y square plus 3 square 9 plus 6y. 9y square plus 256 plus 96y. Here multiply with the 16. 16x square, 16 fours 64 minus 64x plus 16y square. 16 into 9, 16 9s 144. 16 6 96, 96y plus 96y plus 96y get cancelled. Here first x square term, 16x square, 16y square plus 9y square becomes minus 9y square. 16y square minus 9y square, 7y square. Next extra term minus 64x. Here constants 144 plus 64, 4 4 8, 6 4 10, 208. Here 256, 64 plus 144, 208 minus 2 plus 256 becomes minus 256, minus 256 208, 16 8 48. This is minus 48 equal to 0. Here the required equation of locus, therefore required equation of locus is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 equal to 0. Question number 7. Capital A equal to 5 comma 3 and B equal to 3 comma minus 2 or two fixed points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of triangle is PAB 9. Here locus is variable point. Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus, any point on the locus. Here capital A equal to 5 comma 3 given, B equal to 3 comma minus 2. Here given condition area of triangle PAB equal to 9. The formula 1 by 2 determinant of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, this is mod y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 equal to 9. Here the coordinates P is equal to x comma y, this is x1 y1, A equal to 5 comma 3 x2 y2 and B equal to 3 comma minus 2 x3 y3. Here to apply the values, here the 2 cross multiply with 9 into 2 18. Here x1 equal to x modulus of x, x2 is equal to 5. Here one step directly, x2 5, x3 3, 5 minus 3 2. Next y1 is equal to y, y2 is equal to 3 minus 3. Here also one step directly, y2 3, y3 minus 2, minus plus 2, 3 plus 2 5 equal to 2 into 9 18. Here modulus of 5 into x minus 5 minus 2 into y minus 3 equal to 18. Modulus of 5x, 5 into 5 25 minus 2y minus into minus plus 6 equal to 18. 5x minus 2y minus 25 plus 6 minus 19 equal to 18. If mod is removed, is plus or minus 18. 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to plus or minus 18. 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to plus or minus 18. Here case 1, 5x minus 2y minus 19 plus 18 equal to plus 18. 5x minus 2y minus 19 plus 18 becomes minus 18. 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 minus 37 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Second case you take minus 18. 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to minus 18. 5x minus 2y minus 19, minus 18 becomes plus 18 equal to 0. Minus 19 plus 18 minus 1. 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, required equation of locus is 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the answer. Question number 8. Find the equation of the locus of a point which forms a triangle of area 2 with the points capital A 1 comma 1 and B minus 2 comma 3. Here let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Here capital A equal to 1 comma 1, capital A equal to 1 comma 1, B equal to minus 2 comma 3, capital A 1 comma 1, B equal to minus 2 comma 3. In this question, the locus point form a triangle with AB. Area of triangle PAB given condition, area of triangle PAB is equal to 2 of modulus of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3 equal to 2. Here P equal to x comma y. These coordinates x1 y1, capital A 1 comma 1, x2 y2, capital B minus 2 comma 3, x3 y3. Here the 2 is cross multiply with 1 by 2. This 2 is cross multiply with 2, 2 into 2 4. Here x1 equal to x modulus of x2 value 1, x2 1, x3 minus 2. Here minus plus 2. Here one step directly 1 plus 2 3, y1 equal to y, y2 equal to 1, y2 1, y2 is 1, y3 is 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2. It equal to 2 into 2 4. Here modulus of minus 2 multiply with minus 2 into x minus 1 minus 3 into y minus 1 equal to 4. Multiply with minus 2, modulus of minus 2x minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 3y minus into minus plus minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 equal to 4. If mod is removed, here minus 2x minus 3y 2 plus 3 5 equal to plus or minus 4. Case 1 minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to plus 4 taken, plus 4 minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 plus 4 becomes minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 2x minus 3y 5 minus 4 1. Here entire term multiply with minus 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Case 2 minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to minus 4. This minus 4 becomes plus 4. Minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 plus 4 minus 2x minus 3y plus 9 equal to 0. Entire term multiply with minus 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Therefore, required equation of locus, the product of this is 1 and 2, 2x plus 3y minus 1 multiply with 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the answer. Question number 9. If the distance from P to the points 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of locus of P. Here locus point is P. Let P is equal to x comma y be any point on the locus. Here capital A equal to 2 comma 3. Let A equal to 2 comma 3 and b equal to 2 comma minus 3 are in the ratio 2 is to 3 are in the ratio 2 is to 3. The PA is to PB here given condition PA is to PB equal to 2 is to 3. PA is to PB can be written as PA by PB. 2 is to 3, 2 by 3. Here cross multiply. 3 PA is equal to 2 PB. Then squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Here 3 square. 3 square becomes 9. 9 PA square equal to 2 square becomes 2 square 4. 4 PB square. Apply the values 9 into PA square. X minus 2 whole square. Y minus 3 whole square plus Y minus 3 whole square equal to 4 into PB square. X minus 2 whole square. Y minus of minus 3 plus 3. Y plus 3 whole square. 9 into x minus 2 whole square expansion x square plus 2 square 4 minus 4x. Y minus 3 whole square expansion y square plus 3 square 9. Y square plus 3 square 9 minus 6y. 4 into x minus 2 whole square expansion x square plus 2 square 4 minus 2ab minus 4x. Y plus 3 whole square expansion y square plus 3 square 9 plus 6y. Here the entire term multiply with 9. 9x square 9 4 36 9 4s 36x plus 9y square 9 9s 81 9 into 6 54 54y. Here the entire term multiply with 4. 4x square 4 into 4 16 minus 16x plus 4y square 4 into y square 4y square 4 into 9 36 4 into 6 24y. Here in this simplification the equation x square term y square term x y and constant. Here 9x square 9x square plus 4x square becomes minus 4x square. 9x square minus 4x square 5x square. Next y square term 9y square here plus 4y square becomes minus 4y square. 9y square minus 4y square 5y square. Next x term minus 36x here minus 16x. Minus 36x minus 16x becomes plus 16x. Plus 16x. The result is x 6 minus 6 0 minus 3 1 minus 20. Minus 20x. Next y term minus 54y. Here plus 24 becomes minus 24. Minus 54y minus 24y minus 78y. Minus 78y and last one constants. Here 36 plus 81 617 83 11 117. 36 plus 81 117. 16 plus 36 16 plus 36 6 6 12 3 4 5 52. 16 plus 36. Here this 52 can be changed into minus 52. 112 117 minus 52. 7 minus 2 5. Here 11 11 minus 5 6. 65 plus 65 equal to 0 plus 65 equal to 0. Here the required equation of locus is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 equal to 0. This is the result. Question number 10. Capital A 1 comma 2, B equal to 2 comma minus 3 and C equal to minus 2 comma 3 are 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square. Show that the equation to the locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the problem. Here the given condition is directly given. PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square. Let P equal to x comma y be any point on the locus, capital A equal to 1 comma 2, B equal to 2 comma minus 3, C equal to minus 2 comma 3. Here the given condition is given condition PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square. Here PA square x minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square, PA square plus PB square x minus 2 whole square, y minus of minus 3 plus 3, y plus 3 whole square equal to 2 into PC square, x minus of minus 2 plus 2, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Here x minus 1 whole square expansion, x square plus 1 minus 2x, y minus 2 whole square expansion, y square plus 2 square 4 minus 4y, y square 2 square 4 minus 4y plus x minus 2 whole square expansion, x square plus 2 square 4 minus 4x, y plus 3 whole square expansion, y square plus 3 square 9 plus 6y equal to 2 into x plus 2 whole square expansion, x square plus 2 square 4 plus 4x, y minus 3 whole square expansion, y square plus 3 square 9 minus 6y. Here to add the terms x square plus x square, 2x square, y square plus y square, 2y square, minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 4y plus 6y plus 2y. Next constant terms 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18 equal to, here multiply entire term with 2x square, 2 4s 8, 2 into 4x 8x, 2 into y square 2y square, 2 into y square 2y square, 2 into 9 18, 2 into 9 18, 2 into 6 12, here minus 12y, 2 into x square 2x square, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 4x 8x, 2 into y square 2y square, 2 into 9 18, 2 into 6 minus 12y. Here equal to observe that same terms here plus 2x square, this 2x square get cancelled, 2y square and 2y square get cancelled and 18 get cancelled. In x term this is 8x minus 12y, here plus 8, here minus 6x plus 2y, 8x minus 6x becomes plus 6x, 8x plus 6x 14x minus 12y plus 2y becomes minus 2y, minus 12y minus 2y minus 14y. Here the constant is 8 plus 8. The entire equation here divided by 2, 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required result. Here the given equation of locus is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, hence locus of P is proved. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section. Next video discuss about the solved problems in locus and chapter 2, transformation of axis.